There's something magical about fruit, the way it catches sunlight, the way it carries life from the earth into your hands. Sweet, simple, colorful. Most people think of fruit as nature's dessert, a quick bite of freshness. But hidden inside that sweetness lies something deeper: power. Quiet, natural, enduring power. Because not all fruits are just sugar and water. Some are rich in protein, amino acids, and energy-building compounds that help you recover, rebuild, and rise. They're nature's overlooked performance foods, the kind nutritionists whisper about when they talk longevity and vitality. When you think of building muscle, you probably picture chicken, fish, or eggs, not mangoes or guavas. But here's what most people don't know. While fruits don't match meat in protein quantity, several of them contain unique amino acid profiles, enzymes, and cofactors that amplify how your body uses protein from other sources. They improve digestion, increase nutrient absorption, and feed your muscles with steady, clean energy. The best part? They come wrapped in antioxidants, fiber, and electrolytes that no processed shake can ever replicate. The National Institutes of Health notes that incorporating high-protein fruits into your daily diet supports recovery, boosts metabolism, and even enhances mitochondrial function. The powerhouse is inside your cells. Translation: you don't just look stronger, you feel alive. Let's start with one of nature's greatest secrets: guava. This tropical marvel isn't just refreshing, it's a protein standout. 1 cup of guava contains more than 4 grams of protein, the highest among all common fruits. It's loaded with vitamin C, 4 times more than an orange, which helps synthesize collagen, an essential part of muscle repair. Add in potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, and you've got a fruit that works like a multivitamin disguised as sweetness. Then comes avocado. Often mistaken for a vegetable, it's technically a fruit and a powerful one. Each creamy bite delivers not just healthy fats, but about 3 grams of protein per cup, plus magnesium and folate to support muscle function. The monounsaturated fats in avocado increase nutrient uptake, meaning when you eat it with other protein sources, like eggs or beans, your body absorbs more amino acids. That's synergy at work. Harvard Health calls avocado a metabolic stabilizer, food that helps regulate hormones, energy, and muscle recovery all at once. And here's the truth that changes everything. Building muscle and energy isn't about eating more food. It's about eating food that works smarter. Now let's move to the fruits that fuel stamina, the kind your body burns clean like slow, steady fire. Jackfruit is one of the most underestimated muscle foods in the world. Native to South Asia, it's often used as a plant-based meat alternative because of its texture and impressive nutrient profile. 1 cup gives nearly 3 grams of protein and a full range of B vitamins that turn food into energy. But its secret weapon is leucine, a branched-chain amino acid that directly stimulates muscle repair. According to the Journal of Food Science and Technology, jackfruit's amino acid composition is similar to that of soy, making it one of the few fruits capable of supporting serious training recovery. Next comes blackberries, the unsung heroes of post-workout recovery. Their dark pigment comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce exercise-induced inflammation. Each cup offers 2 grams of protein, but more importantly, they enhance oxygen delivery to your muscles. Think of them as nature's pre-workout: subtle, clean, real. Pair blackberries with Greek yogurt or a protein smoothie, and you've built the perfect post-training ritual. Protein, antioxidants, and fiber, all in one. And then there's kiwi, the small green dynamo with a big impact. Kiwi's unique enzyme actinidin helps your body digest proteins from other foods more efficiently. That means if you eat kiwi with your breakfast eggs or evening lentils, you actually absorb more of those proteins. Each fruit offers around 2 grams of protein, plus vitamin E, folate, and potassium, key elements for energy metabolism. Research published in Nutrients found that daily kiwi consumption improved sleep quality and exercise recovery, both essential for muscle growth. Here's what makes these tropical fruits extraordinary. They work in harmony with your biology. They don't just fuel you, they fine-tune you. They hydrate, repair, and energize all at once without heaviness or inflammation. Because real strength isn't only measured by how much you lift, it's measured by how well you recover. Building muscle isn't just a physical process, it's neurological. Your brain controls recovery, coordination, and motivation, and certain fruits directly support that connection. One of the most powerful? Bananas. Often dismissed as too carby, bananas are, in truth, the ultimate energy synchronizers. Each medium banana offers about 1.5 grams of protein, but the real magic lies in its potassium and vitamin B6, both critical for muscle contraction and energy metabolism. The Journal of Applied Physiology found that potassium-rich foods like bananas reduce exercise-related cramps and improve muscular endurance. Paired with peanut butter or almonds, bananas become a balanced snack. Carbs for energy, protein, and fats for stability. That's why athletes, from sprinters to bodybuilders, trust them daily. Then there's apricot. Golden, subtle, but packed with promise. Dried apricots in particular concentrate both protein, about 2 grams per serving, and iron, vital for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. More oxygen means better endurance, sharper focus, and quicker recovery. Combine them with a handful of walnuts, and you've got a portable muscle-building combo that rivals energy bars, minus the additives. And don't overlook raisins, nature's sugar redefined. They contain trace amounts of protein, but their main gift is glycogen replenishment, refueling muscles after intense activity. Pair raisins with a boiled egg or handful of seeds, and you turn them into a powerful post-exercise repair meal. Every one of these fruits teaches a simple truth. The body doesn't separate muscle from mind. When you feed one, you nourish the other, because strength is both physical and emotional, and food, when chosen wisely, feeds both dimensions. What nutritionists know, and most diets forget, is that energy isn't only about calories, it's about communication. The dialogue between your mitochondria, your gut, and your mood. High-protein fruits keep that dialogue clean and consistent, helping you feel lighter, sharper, and more alive. So now we've met the 7: guava, avocado, jackfruit, blackberries, kiwi, banana, and apricot. Each unique, each vibrant, each holding a key to stronger, steadier energy. But here's where it all comes together. It's not just what you eat, it's how you integrate it. Use guava in morning smoothies with spinach and oats, a nutrient bomb that kickstarts metabolism. Add avocado to salads or toast for long-lasting satiety. Blend jackfruit into curries or tacos for a satisfying plant-based protein source. Mix blackberries or kiwi into Greek yogurt for antioxidant-rich fuel. Snack on bananas or apricots before workouts to sustain energy and prevent fatigue. Let raisins replace refined sugar in baking or trail mixes. Each choice builds momentum. Every small combination, fruit plus protein, fruit plus fat, fruit plus fiber, becomes a formula for balance. That's what expert nutritionists do differently. They don't isolate foods, they harmonize them. According to research from the American Heart Association, people who eat 4 to 5 servings of fruit per day while maintaining protein diversity, plant and animal, experience higher energy levels and 20% better muscle retention after age 40. Food synergy, not supplements, is the real secret to sustainable strength. And maybe that's the quiet revolution we need, to stop chasing extremes and start trusting nature again. To understand that sweetness isn't weakness and that energy doesn't come from caffeine or chaos, it comes from nourishment that listens to your body. So the next time you reach for a snack, think bigger. Think of food not as comfort, but as collaboration. Every bite you take is a vote for the kind of energy you want to carry. You can fuel yourself with noise or with nature, because your body isn't asking for perfection, it's asking for partnership. And these 7 fruits, these gifts of sunlight and soil, are your invitation to rebuild that partnership, one nourishing choice at a time. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together, Nutrition and Rise.